It started with a single text: "Don't trust the lights." Alone in a snowbound cabin, Mia watched the power flicker, then die. Outside, the storm howled, trapping her. She lit candles, shadows dancing on the walls, revealing strange scratches she'd never noticed before. Suddenly, a faint tapping at the window. She froze. No footsteps in the snow, but the tapping continued, rhythmic, deliberate. Desperate, she opened the door. Nothing but frozen silence. Returning inside, her breath caught. A muddy footprint led from the door to the fireplace. Then another text. "You're not alone." The cabin's warmth faded as eyes glimmered in the dark corners. Mia wasn't just isolated, she was hunted.